English you need for your glow up era. Let's go. Glow up. She had a major glow up this year. Glow up. She had a major glow up this year. Level up. I'm trying to level up my life. Level up. I'm trying to level up my life. Self-care. Self-care is important. Self-care. Self-care is important. Confidence. Confidence changes everything. Confidence. Confidence changes everything. Personal growth. I'm focused on personal growth. Personal growth. I'm focused on personal growth. New mindset. I'm entering this year with a new mindset. New mindset. I'm entering this year with a new mindset. Healthy habits. I'm building healthy habits. Healthy habits. I'm building healthy habits. Working on myself. I'm working on myself now. Working on myself. I'm working on myself now. Best version of yourself. Become the best version of yourself. Best version of yourself. Become the best version of yourself. Fresh start. This is my fresh start. Fresh start. This is my fresh start. Healing era. I'm in my healing era. Healing era. I'm in my healing era. Protect my energy. I protect my energy now. Protect my energy. I protect my energy now. Focus on my goals. I'm focused on my goals. Focus on my goals. I'm focused on my goals. Self-love. Self-love comes first. Self-love. Self-love comes first. Positive vibes. Only positive vibes. Positive vibes. Only positive vibes. New routine. I'm building a new routine. New routine. I'm building a new routine. Becoming disciplined. Discipline creates success. Becoming disciplined. Discipline creates success. Mental health. Take care of your mental health. Mental health. Take care of your mental health. Motivated. I feel motivated today. Motivated. I feel motivated today. Productive day. Today was productive. Productive day. Today was productive. Upgrade your life. It's time to upgrade your life. Upgrade your life. It's time to upgrade your life. No more excuses. No more excuses. No more excuses. No more excuses. Chasing my dreams. I'm chasing my dreams. Chasing my dreams. I'm chasing my dreams. Building confidence. I'm building confidence. Building confidence. I'm building confidence. New chapter. This is my new chapter. New chapter. This is my new chapter. Better lifestyle. I'm choosing a better lifestyle. Better lifestyle. I'm choosing a better lifestyle. Inner peace. I'm looking for inner peace. Inner peace. I'm looking for inner peace. Self-improvement. Self-improvement is a journey. Self-improvement. Self-improvement is a journey. Becoming stronger. I'm becoming stronger every day. Becoming stronger. I'm becoming stronger every day. My glow up journey. This is my glow up journey. My glow up journey. This is my glow up journey. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.